Hi everyone, good morning to everybody. Today we are going to see about the most important term, applications of matrices and determinants. Volume number 1, unit number 1, applications of matrices and determinants. In this chapter today discuss about consistence of system of linear equation by rank method. There are two types. First type homogeneous system of linear equation. Second type non-homogeneous system of linear equation. Today discuss about homogeneous system of linear equation. Case number 1, there are three cases. Cases number 1, case number 2, case number 3. Case number 1, if P of A equal to P of A difference B equal to 3. Rank of matrix is 3. The system of equation is consistent and has trivial solution. Trivial solution means unique solution. That is x, y, z equal to 0, 0, 0. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and then z is equal to 0. Next, case number 2, P of A equal to P of A difference B equal to 2. 2 means rank of matrix is 2. The system of equation is consistent and has infinite number of many solutions. Infinite number of many solutions means non-trivial solutions. To find x and y, put z is equal to t. Last case number 1, same conditions. P of A equal to P of A difference B equal to 1. The system of equation is consistent and has non-trivial solutions. Z is equal to t and y is equal to x to find x. Okay. Next, exercise 1.7. Question number 2. Determine the values of lambda for which the following system of equation x plus y plus 3z is equal to 0, 4x plus 3y plus lambda z equal to 0, 2x plus y plus 2z equal to 0. Hyphen number 1, unique solution. Hyphen number 2, non-trivial solution. Unique solution means trivial solution. Trivial solutions. Definition: P of A equal to P of A difference B equal to 3. The system of equation is consistent and has trivial solution. Trivial solution means unique solutions. Therefore, x, y, z is equal to 0, 0, 0. Next, hyphen number 2, non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solutions conditions. Case number 2, P of A equal to P of A difference B equal to 2. Rank of matrix 2. The system of equation is consistent and has non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solutions means infinite number of many solutions. Okay. Solution of this question. First, augmented matrix. A matrix. Coefficient of x 1, 4, 2. This term is 1. Next, coefficient of y 1, 3, 1. Coefficient of z 3, lambda 2. Next, b equal to 0, 0, 0. Okay. Argument of A difference B equal to 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, lambda 2, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0. Okay. First conditions in column 1, 1, 4, 2. Rearrange the numbers in ascending order. 1, 2, 4. Okay. This 2 term is rearranged. Therefore, R1 implies R1. 1, 1, 3. Okay. Next, R2 interchange to R3. Okay, R2 interchange to R3 or R3 interchange to R2. 2, 1, 2. 2, 1, 2. 0. 4, 3, lambda. 4, 3, lambda, 0. It's clear? 1, 2, 4. Next one, this 2 term is converted to 0. Okay. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay. This 2 term is converted to 0. A21 means R2, row 2 converted to this number is 21. R2, R1. Okay. R2 value is 2, R1 value is 1. Therefore, converted to 0. Therefore, 2 into 1 minus. It's clear? Next, 1, 1, 3, 0. 2 minus 2 into 1, 0. Next, R2 value is 1, 2 into R1 value is 1. 1 minus 2, minus 1. Next one, 2 minus 2 into R1 value is 3. 2 minus 2 into 3 is 6, minus 4. Minus 4, 0. R2 value is 0, 2 into R1 value is 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Next condition, R3. Okay. This term is R3 converted to A31. A31 means A31. R3 value is 4. R1 value is 1. Therefore, 4 into R1. R3 minus 4 into R1. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Next one, 3. R3 value is 3 minus 4 into R1. R1 value is 1. 3 minus 4. Answer is minus 1. Next one, R3 value is lambda minus 4 into R1. R1 value is 3. Lambda minus 4 into 3, 12. Lambda minus 12, 0. Okay. Next one, this term A32 is converted to 0. This one. Okay. R3 value is 3, 2. R2. It's clear? R3 value is minus 1. R2 value is minus 1. Okay. Therefore, minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, R3 implies R3 minus R2. Value is 1, 1, 3, 0. R1 implies R1. R2 implies R2. 0, minus 1, minus 4, 0. Next, 0. R3 minus R2. 0 minus 0. 0. R3 value is minus 1. Minus of R2. Minus into minus plus 1 minus 1. 0. Next one. Lambda minus 12. Minus of R2. R2 value is minus 4. It's clear? R3 minus R2. R2 value is lambda minus 12. Minus R2 value is minus 4. Minus into minus plus lambda minus 12 plus 4. Lambda minus 8. Lambda minus 8. This term is R3 value is 0. Minus of R2 value is 0. It's clear? Next one. Lambda minus 8. First condition, a unique solution. Unique solutions conditions, case number 1. P of A equal to P of A difference B equal to 3. Rank of matrix is 3. Okay. First condition, yeah. Unique solutions. Lambda minus 8 not equal to 0. Okay, not equal to 0. Lambda minus 8 not equal to 0. Therefore, P of A rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. Next, P of A difference B rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. Okay. Therefore, P of A equal to P of A difference B equal to 3. The system of equation is consistent and has unique solution. Unique solutions means trivial solution. Okay. First condition is proved. Next one, non-trivial solution. Okay. Second question, a non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solutions, case number 2 condition, P of A equal to P of A difference B equal to 2. Rank of matrix is 2. The system of equation is consistent and has non-trivial solutions. Okay, rank of matrix is 2. Therefore, this term lambda minus 8 equal to 0, lambda equal to 8. Okay, substitute the lambda value. 8 minus 8 is 0. Therefore, P of A, this term is rank 1, this term is rank 2. 0, 0, 0. Therefore, P of A equal to 2. Okay. To substitute 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay. Therefore, P of rank 1, rank 2. P of A is equal to rank 2. Next, P of A difference B. Rank 1, rank 2. This not is a element is not here. Therefore, 0. Rank 1 and then rank 2. Okay. Therefore, P of A equal to P of A difference B equal to 2. Okay. The system of equation is consistent and has non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution means infinitely many number of solution. Okay. Verified the second hyphen number 2. First hyphen number 2 unique solution. Second one non-trivial solution and proved. Thank you. Thank you so much.